How to set up the camera in Blender. First of all, open your Blender project and make sure you are in the layout workspace, where you can clearly see your 3D viewport. To add a camera, press Shift plus A, go to the camera and click it. This will add a new camera to your scene. Next, to see through the camera, press 0 on the number pad. This switches your view to what the camera sees. If you want to adjust the camera position, press N to bring up the side panel, go to the View tab, and check the Lock Camera to View box. To position the camera precisely, you can also use the Move and Rotate tools. Use Z to move the camera along axis and R to rotate it into place. If you need a specific framing, go to the camera settings in the Properties panel. Here you can adjust focal length, depth of field, and resolution. And that's it. Now you know how to set up the camera in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.